everyone, and welcome to your Draw an Array activity. Here at the top, you will see instructions on what you're going to do. If you are having trouble reading the instructions, you could always click the recording and it can read it to you. You will have 3 different arrays that you will be completing, and this will be an example on how to do them. Using the crayon tool, draw an array showing 3 times 4, then count the amount of squares and put the answer in the circle at the bottom right of the screen. If you want, you can fold the instructions up, get rid of them so you have more space, or you could look at them the whole time. That's totally up to you. Right here, I do see that it says 3 times 4. It does matter to remember my equation because each one is going to be different. So for 3 times 4, I am going to make my array, and I remember that with array, it's going to be objects that are in order. So they're kind of in like a nice little organized area. So I am going to do my 4 over here, and I'm going to do 3 rows of 4. And I'm just going to do circles. You could do stars, you could do squares, but I think circles are pretty nice and they're easier to do. You could also change the color of your crayon if you like. Okay, so I have 3 rows. This way is my 3, and I have 4 columns, so that shows 3 times 4, but I'm not done because it says put your answer here, so I still need to count them. So a way to count it, I can go ahead and even get my highlighter, and I can choose to highlight when I count something. So here's 1, 2, 3, this is just helping me so I don't miss any, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, so I can go ahead and put my answer here as 12, and that way I can show that I have completed it and that it's done and submit it. Once you're done with all 3, you're all done. Okay, have a great time.